We will be looking at what happens if you have an engine and why can't you use a normal engine. So basically you can see here is how an engine use and this is how many people lift off, but this is not as harder and it is much easier because it is so easy. That like this, maybe the crash has happened many times without a crash, and at sometimes the engine may be fuel down and shut it down and finally it can crash, and which is a really dangerous thing that anyone should use it. And this can be leading to crash. But with the use of an ion engine, you can itself it. So you can see that this one is a wrong method. But within using an ion engine will easily make your task very easy. But I don't have an ion engine which was really powerful, but this one is a normal ion engine I'm deciding. I think it's about the first thing, the first ion engine, so that's why it is able to crash. But with the no gravity, it can be saved from it and they can use it as a satellite. But we have many more big ion engines as big as sponge. So this is how powerful is an ion engine, and this can not lead to crash, and this doesn't has a moving part. I think it's not an advantage. So this engine only doesn't has an movable parts, but if you take the normal engines, it will be awesome. Will be there on it. So you can see that this is how you can fly without using any thrusters, and with using that you can itself make your own solar panel in it, and this solar panel will lead you to fly, and you can recharge yourself by using with the solar panels. But with the using of with the ion the thruster one doesn't make it. So this thruster